Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be making a Call of Duty Black Ops speed hack. It's going to take a little bit different of approach than we have in the past. What we're going to need to do is open up Steam, go to Steam settings, and then go to downloads. Click on Steam library folders, and you'll have this pop up. You need to find out where your game for Call of Duty Black Ops is installed. So for me, it's just under d:/Steam library. So then you need to open up File Explorer, go to that location. So we need Steam library, then go to Steam apps, common, and then Call of Duty Black Ops, and then players. Then there's this file called config.cfg. You right click on it, go to I have Notepad++. You're going to want something like that to open it and edit it with. And you're going to go down to the very bottom of the file, and you're going to put in these bindings. They're basically key bindings, so when you press the key 0, it's going to give you the speed 1000. When you press key 9, 800. Key 8, 600, key 7, 400, key 6, 200, and key 5, 0 speed. And the reason we're doing this is so we can find it using cheat engine, find the speed value. So once you have that, you're going to want to save it, and then right click on it and go to properties, and then check the read only box, because you don't want the game to rewrite this file for you, because it'll do that otherwise. So click OK, and then go and open up Call of Duty Black Ops, and let me close these out. Alright, so then we're going to go to Zombies, Solo Game. Let's go to Kino. Then we can open up cheat engine as well. Catch it to the game. We can load the associated table, we don't need it. Alright, so then I'm going to press the key 0, and I move really fast. And if I press key 5, I'm trying to move, but it's not moving. Key 6, it's 200. 7, 8, 9, 0. So right now I pressed key 0, so I'm at speed 1000. So we're gonna look for the value 1000 in cheat engine, and then you're gonna go and press the key 9 and search the value 800, and then press the key 8, search the value 600. And it's one of these. Oh, we have zombies coming. Here, let me give myself health. Maybe we do need this table actually. I'll lock it at 1000. Alright, that should be fine. And so what we want to do is try to change this value and see if it changes all these other related values, and it doesn't change the other values. So that's why I put in the second one as well, trying to change it to 1000, and look, it changes the others to 1000. Now I should be moving at 1000 speed, which, yep, it's pretty fast. See, that's pretty convenient to be able to go that fast. But even though this is a green address, usually you can use these addresses in the game. It actually changes each time the game runs. So what you want to do is right click on it and go pointer scan for this address, and then click OK, and then just call it Call of Duty Black Ops Speed 1. Click save and let it do its thing, and get it out of the way here. Then once this is done, we're gonna have to restart the game and do it again. Alright, so we got our list. We can exit out of the game and then start the game right back up again. And then attach cheat engine to the game. You can keep the code list, whatever. Go to zombies, solo, and then Kino. Alright, now I'm going to press the key 0. Should have 1000 speed. And then we're going to go to cheat engine, search for the value 1000. New scan, first scan. And then I press key 9. The speed should be a little bit slower, should be 800. We'll search for that, next scan. I'll press key 8. Speed should be again a little slower, 600. Next scan. We're down 37 addresses. So we'll try adding the second one again and changing that one, and it changes the others. Perfect. So that's the address we want to scan for. And remember, I got my health, so I got not dying in the game, luckily. So we'll go to pointer scan on this other open window and rescan memory. Then we need to type in the address right here that we just found. So 0265 BE28, and then click OK, and then we'll just call it 2, Call of Duty Black Ops Speed 2. Whoops. Click save. Now we're only down to 47 paths, so this is probably enough for us. We can just click on this first one. We can close the game. We can delete these other addresses that we don't need anymore, and rename this pointer scan result to speed address, and then we can start up the game again and verify that we found the right address. And this address has an offset of 18, so we'll have to keep that in mind when writing the program to this. Then we need to attach cheat engine to the game. Keep the current list. Look, speed's 190. That's what the game actually starts with. By default is 190. But we can test if it sees our changes with our key bindings. Alright, so I can press 0 should be 1,000. Yep, that shows 1,000. 9, 800, 8, 600, 7, 400, 6, 200, and 5, 0. Well, perfect. That's our speed address. And if we go double click on this, we can see it's the module Black Ops plus this offset, and we get that address, and then we take that address and then we add the offset of 18 to it, so we get that address. So that's all we need to write down. We'll open up Notepad and copy in this, and then offset 18. And I'll pause the game. We're gonna open up Visual Studio, start a new project. We'll call it Call of Duty Black Ops Speed Hack. Click OK. Click Next. Check Empty Project and uncheck Security Development Lifecycle Checks. Click Finish. We're going to add a source file, which is called source.cpp, and make this larger. We need 3 libraries. We need iostream, windows.h, and tlhelp32.h. We need to define a few constants. The process name is blackops.exe, and the pull rate, which is 100. I'm going to define speed module name, which is blackops.exe. And then we need a constant, the speed offset address, or offset value, which is this value right here. And then we need the second offset, which is this value right here, 18, but it's in hex, so 0x18. And then speed value original will be 190. That's the default speed by for the player. Speed value new will be 1000 because that's a pretty decent speed. Then we need to write a couple of functions. First one is dword get module pointer, lp stir module name, dword process id, module entry 32, snapshot keyword module pointer equals 0. So we need to search for the module name and process. Modules snapshot. This is going to give us an error. We'll fix that in a second. And let's clean up our resources, and we'll fix that error. Alright, so to fix that error, we need to go right click on a project, go to properties, go to configuration properties general, and then character set, and double click on it, and it'll go to use multi-byte character set. Click OK. That'll fix that problem. And then we need to write another function, which is dword get process ID by process name. Oops. Process entry 32. It's pretty similar to that function we write for the modules. We need to clean up resources as well. And whoops, I made a typo. Return process ID. Let me write main. And get a game process ID. Process ID equals null, and while process ID is equal to null, process ID equals get process ID by process name, process name. We sleep the pull rate. Now if we escape that while loop, we'll say game found. You open the game handle. So handle obtained to game. Otherwise, Handle not obtained to game. We need to get speed module pointer. So speed module, get module pointer, speed module name, process ID. We initialize variables. So speed hack enabled equals false, and update screen equals true, while true. If we need to update the screen, we do system clear screen. Call of Duty Black Ops speed hack. Speed hack enabled, question mark, on, colon, off. Update screen equals false now. And then check for associated keystrokes to menu. BKF10 speed hack enabled equals opposite of speed hack enabled. So if speed hack enabled, speed value equals speed value new. Keyword value, read process memory, process handle, void, speed module plus speed offset into value, size of value null, then write process memory, process handle, multi void value plus speed offset 2 and speed value, size of speed value null, and then else update screen equals true, wait for the pull rate, and then for the else statement it's pretty much the same thing except speed value original, and that's it. We can click run. We can restart the level. I'll move this over here. So we're moving at slow speed. I'll press F10. Now I'm moving incredibly fast. Isn't that fun? And I press F10 again. I'm going really slow. That's it. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And check out my other videos. I have a lot of great ones out there.